In today's fast-moving world, every day we hear about new smartphones with top-notch features and astronomical price tags. But the real question is, how good a phone can you produce at the least possible price? Today we're talking about the Nokia One. It hopes to be your first Android smartphone with the latest software and a price tag that just wants to make you buy it. Hey, this is Srihari from Mr. Phone and let's jump right into this video. Before going further, don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. Phone channel by clicking the red subscribe button below and also hit that bell icon so that you're the first one to know as soon as we drop a new video. Nokia One is your basic Android device with a very rounded design that makes it very comfortable to hold in the hand. The colors are very reminiscent of Nokia's old style with the reds and the blues just filling your heart with joy. The Nokia One is almost cute looking and with that rounded pill design is also probably one of the smallest and most comfortable device you'll hold all year. The comfortable feel of the back paint job almost hides the fact that the body is plastic. And on the front of the Nokia One sits a very small 4.5-inch display. Now this display is definitely not the sharpest and even not the brightest of the displays that you can find out there, but for a phone this price, I think it does very well. Now probably the most important thing about the Nokia One is the Android Go software inside. Android Go is a program where Google hopes to give you the cleanest and leanest Android software experience with apps like the YouTube Go, the Google Go, which have been built specifically for this platform and will be able to run smoothly on phones with RAM as less as 512 megabytes. The Nokia One comes with Android 8.0 Oreo Go edition out of the box and will receive updates for the next 2 years. Now talking specs, the Nokia One comes with a 4.5-inch display with a resolution of 480 by 854. It runs on the MediaTek MT6737 quad-core processor clocked at 1.1 GHz. So I think you'll agree that these are bare bones specs. Apart from that, it also comes with just 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB internal storage. Now I know that you're thinking that 1 GB of RAM is very less for an Android smartphone these days, but let me remind you that the Android Go software has been built specifically to run on phones with this amount of RAM. Now when it comes to camera, also the Nokia One comes with basic shooter. So you get a 5 megapixel camera at the back with LED flash and a 2 megapixel selfie shooter. Inside we have a 2150 mAh battery, which is probably low for a phone with a 5-inch screen or 6-inch screen, but for a phone with this size screen and the resolution and also the optimized software inside, I think the 2150 mAh battery is going to last for a long time and I'm actually very excited to test it as soon as we get the phone for review, and we'll surely tell you everything you need to know in the full review, so stay subscribed and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss as soon as we drop that video. Apart from this being an Android smartphone, it comes with all the standard features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, comes with a micro USB port for data syncing and charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now apart from this, there was one other thing that Nokia was very excited about on the Nokia One, and those were the Express on covers. So you will be able to remove the back cover of the Nokia One and put on another with a lot of different color options that you get from Nokia. So you can change up your look and give your phone an entirely new look with these Express on covers. Now coming to the part that everybody wants to know, and that is the price. So the Nokia One 1 GB RAM variant with 8 gigs of internal storage is priced at 5,499 rupees. Now at this price, there are a lot of other phones available in the market, with probably the Redmi 5A being the most popular one. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see a full comparison of the Redmi 5A to the Nokia One. Also let me know if you want to see a full review of the Nokia One on this channel. We've also put up videos for the Nokia 7, the Nokia 8 Sirocco, and also the Nokia 6 video is also coming very soon. So we'll link cards up here and go ahead and watch them and let me know what you thought. That's it for this one. This is Srihari from Mr. Phone and I'll catch you in the next one.